me see, Daddy.
Are you trying to spill water on me? Is that what you just did?
Yeah.
What you running for now? Why you running? Alright. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. Push it for me. Just hold on.
This is the Daddy.
Hold on, push it again for me. Hold on, let her push it. Yeah, let her push it.
Hey, my tail, Daddy. Stop.
Oh, push it again. Nah, let her push it.
No.
Let her push it. She getting her own self wet now. Getting your own self wet now. Now she running. What you running for? Come on. Where you going? Now you done? Yeah, she done now. All right, that's enough wasting these people water. We on a drought right now, boy. Come on. Come on.
Dad.
All right.